Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Today we're going to make curry snow crab legs. As you can see, we have the ingredients that we're going to use today. I had already prepared. As you can see, we have tomato, our curry powder, our fresh garlic, coconut milk, chicken broth, and some cream, some onions, and fresh ginger. Let's get started, guys. Okay, let's begin by putting our oil in a pan. We're gonna do a nice saute. There we go. We're gonna saute our ginger, our garlic, onion. Let's saute that real nice. Now, as you can see, these onions are exactly the way I like it to be. Now we can add our tomatoes. Let's saute and bring them down also. Get all of the flavors. You know me, guys. We get the flavors. Okay. See you in a minute. We're almost there. Okay. As you can see, this is looking great. Let's add in that wonderful curry. There we go. Get that all blended in there nicely. That's what you want. Now it's gonna absorb. So that's why we got that oil in there nicely. All right, let's add the chicken broth. All right, guys. This is great. Okay. Let's add our cream. Okay, and of course, we're going to add in our coconut milk. Yes, coconut milk. Don't worry, I'll explain. This is wonderful. This is what we want. Now, we're going to get all that in there, okay? All right. This is perfect. Let's just combine all of this nicely. And then, now we submerged our snow crab legs in because we want the flavor to infuse into this nice juicy crab legs. Look at that. Just press that in there nicely. It's going to be 8 to 10 minutes. We want to add a simmer. Okay, guys, we're going to cover it nicely, nice and tight. Okay, and we're going to let this simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Locking in those flavors and the steam to cook it from top to bottom. All right. Curry snow crab legs. I'm telling you guys, we did it for 8 to 10 minutes, exactly 10 minutes on this particular size, okay? We pulled it off, okay? Let it sit for 3 minutes. I'm telling you, here it is. Here it is. This is it. This is delicious and juicy. I ate one myself. I'm telling you, it's delicious. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And I would love to hear comments from you. Feel free to leave your comments. Until next time, wow.